Hey signers and parents, are you looking for a meaningful way to enrich your child's learning? Maybe you want to bring more hands-on, interactive lessons into your homeschool or after-school routine without spending hours planning and prepping. Or perhaps you're searching for engaging activities but don't have the time to piece it all together. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to introduce the exciting updates we've made to our homeschool ASL curriculum. Now bigger, better, and built with your family in mind. These changes are a direct result of your feedback, and I can't wait to show you what's new. And stick around, I've got a special discount to share at the end of the video. Now, let's learn how to sign at home. "2024 was truly amazing. We launched our very first curriculum geared towards kids and families. We saw families from all over jump into ASL, connecting through learning and having fun along the way. Families told us how valuable they found our vocabulary lessons, the detailed grammar and deaf culture lessons, our easy to use printable materials, and especially the practical fingerspelling and numbers activities. One parent even said, "I love this curriculum. The lessons are super easy to follow and interactive." Because of this great feedback, we've taken everything you've loved and added even more to make the curriculum even better. This year, you'll find fresh, comprehensive, and engaging content that's easy for anyone to follow. And to help track your child's progress and understanding, we've included new online assessments every 5 weeks. These assessments are simple, effective, and provide immediate feedback, helping you clearly see your child's growth and areas for improvement. Each weekly lesson is carefully designed to engage students in practical, hands-on learning. You'll start each lesson with essential vocabulary skills, with the flexibility to explore additional signs. This allows for another layer of specialization for older students or those who are wanting to learn more. Our culture and history lessons are taught by Sarah, our deaf teacher, who shares authentic insight from her personal experiences. The grammar section got a complete overhaul, with lessons dedicated to phrase examples and application. We also added content to spotlight famous deaf individuals and their story. Plus, each week includes interactive fingerspelling and number activities designed to reinforce learning and build confidence. And of course, we've included plenty of hands-on activities and printables tailored specifically for different age groups, from kinder learners to elementary students, all the way up to middle schoolers. This differentiated selection allows your family to do the lessons together, but choose individualized activities that match the ability of each child. The flexibility is in your hands. Get it? Hands? But that's not all. Here's the biggest news. We've added a whole second year of learning to our curriculum. This is huge. This means your ASL learning journey doesn't stop after year 1. Year 2 is packed even deeper with conversational skills, grammar topics, and richer cultural insights, ensuring your family continues to grow and thrive in your ASL abilities. This additional year was highly requested, and we're thrilled to finally bring it to life. Here are the highlights of the new 2-year ASL program. 60+ weeks of instruction, over 1,000 signs, 48 lessons covering on culture, grammar, history, and sentence examples, 48 fingerspelling and numbers lessons and activities, 144 activities and printables, 12 assessments complete with study guides and review material, and 12 bonus lessons. If you want to see an example of the curriculum, I've included a link below to sample week 1. What's even more exciting is that this curriculum is a part of our existing accelerated program. This means when you join, you're not only getting the homeschool lessons, but also complete access to all our other ASL resources. That includes weekly live sessions with me to answer your questions, 9 self-paced courses with more on the way, regular live silent chat opportunities with fellow signers, an active and supportive community on Discord, exclusive discounts, and more. Plus, if you're already an accelerated member, you'll get this updated curriculum at no extra cost. Now remember, I mentioned a special discount? Become a member today and use the code HOMESCHOOL30 at checkout to receive 30% off. Act soon. We can't wait for you to join. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.